Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize action buttons on your DJI Osmo Nano. At the very beginning we should open the control panel. To open it, just swipe down from up to down, and here you'll find this button, so click on it. And here we can customize our buttons. So click camera, okay, for example, and now you can customize this camera button. So by clicking on it, you can, for example, for single press it will last settings. You can set up to record video or superlapse, for example. Double press, and here you can set up for double press. Okay, and the same station with the multifunction button here on the body of the screen with battery. Okay, that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you!